Today we talk about Samsung S24 Ultra versus ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. The Samsung S24 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,099, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $800. The dimensions is mostly same. The weight of these devices: the Samsung S24 Ultra weight have 225 grams and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 246 grams. And the build: Samsung S24 Ultra front and back glass and titanium frame, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM. The display: the Samsung S24 Ultra Dynamic AMOLED 2x 16mm color display, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra have AMOLED 1 billion display. The screen size is same, and the resolution of S24 Ultra have 14 by 40 and 3088 pixels, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra have 1116 by 2480 pixels. And the PPI dynasty: Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have 508 and the Nubia Z60 Ultra have 400 PPI dynasty. The refresh rate is 120Hz both, and the screen to body ratio is same, not much difference. And the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 3, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 3000 nits peak brightness, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 1500 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Samsung S24 Ultra come with quad core setup. The main sensor 200 megapixel wide, and the second 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto and 200 megapixel periscope telephoto. It's record 8K 30fps video record. And the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto. It's also record 8K 30fps video. And the selfie camera of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 40 megapixel HDR 4K 60fps video recording, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 16 megapixel under display camera, 1080p 30 by 60fps video record. The platform of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU, and the chipset of these devices: it's come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor, and the GPU of these devices is Adreno 750. It's also come with Android 14. The memory of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. And the both devices come with 1TB storage. It's not have any SD card slot and SD card support. The battery of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 6000 mAh battery. And the charging of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 45W fast wireless charging, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 80W fast charging. The wireless charging: Samsung S24 Ultra come with 15W wireless charging, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra have not available any wireless charging. The both devices come with 5G network, and the common and features is same in both devices. And the result of these devices: Samsung S24 Ultra got 22 points and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra got 19 points.